On average, lifespan about 7 years. On this particular model, I think the warranty may be 8 years. Problems you can find with old hot water tank is a good sign of corrosion is the water starts to come through discolored, brown water. That's a good sign that the inside of the tank is corroded. Also the date. So on this particular model, all the information is on the back of the cover. Date of production. Anything above beyond 7 years, you know, is past warranty. Some tanks don't give you a warning sign, a tendency to burst at any time. The only other way is signs of brown water, usually when you run the bath. It's easy to spot against the white background, brown water. Or the production date, anything getting up to 10 years, think about changing. This particular one, if it was to burst, wouldn't be such a problem because it's external, but smaller tanks can be internal. That would burst, if it was to burst, continue to fill, wouldn't empty and stop. If you're away overseas, on holiday, vacation, continue until the water was turned off.